All right, check this out. This is Griffin. Griffin's a little psycho, and he's a French bulldog, and he's Sarah's. But he's adopted me, taken me as his own. But anyway, I'm on my way. I gotta take off again. Life changes by the minute here on this end, and I've left home again, and I've got to go. I'm gonna travel like 7 or 8 or 9 hours or something. Go to Ukiel at Vancouver Island to help out with some friends who need some help with a job. Unexpected, and then I'm gonna come back and resume all my other tasks. But anyway, I got a notice in the mail before I left. Somebody sent me a package. I started to open it, and I like, you know what a freaking kind thing to do. Remember, somebody did this before. Somebody sent me coffee last year. Somebody sent me a box of coffee. But anyway, this came from Durango, Colorado, and I don't even remember. I guess I might remember once I opened the sucker, but I don't remember talking to this person. Obviously, I did. They gave me the mail address. Little wacko. So thought I'd open it up on a video and show everybody. I started to open it up. I haven't a clue what it is, and then I stopped real quick. So let's have a look after I slice my arm open, or the dog. Anybody? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's an envelope full of money. What is it? What is it? What a kind thing. What a freaking kind thing to do. Holy cow. Seriously? I gotta read this. Steve, thanks for all you're doing for us. We really appreciate your hard work and great outdoor information. First off, I want to express my condolences for the loss of your horse and friend, Roni. We had a horse back in the day, our pack string that could have been his twin. His name was Frosty. Every time I saw Roni in your videos, it reminded me of Frosty and the fun elk hunts we went on back in the 80s. Second off, I found this small gift on the internet. I had to enter a bidding war to get it. I'm sure I made the seller's day. Now you have a backup in case you ever lose your other one. I don't think it's ever been used, so I sharpened it up for you. I also included some extra diamond sharpeners you can give to some of your hunting buddies. You can see how I cut one down to fit the holster behind the knife. I also filed off the sharp corners to prevent damage to the holster. I've been carrying the diamond sharpeners in the field for years, in case I need to touch up a knife while working up some deer or elk to pack out. Also, please find $200 cash to help out setting up your internet database. I tried to pay the PayPal thing a few weeks ago, but got frustrated and gave up. I don't care about any internet fame, so I do not include my name. You can just say the gift was from a Colorado hunter. Well, holy shit! What do you say to that? I'm not really one of those people who I get kind of awkward with gifts. It's not a normal thing in my life, but I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. What a very, very kind thing it is that you just did. So let's have a look at what we got. Packing. Diamond sharpener. How freaking awesome is that? I was just saying a little while ago how these disposable blade knives they've come up with are absolutely cringeworthy. And I admit I've got one. I was stuck at a bad place, couldn't find a knife, I had to buy one. And it just makes me sick, the amount of stainless blades that are thrown away because they're dull. Are you serious? It's like throwing away a freaking new knife every time you use it. It's stupid. I wonder if anybody even knows how to sharpen a knife anymore. We should almost get somebody to make a knife sharpening how-to video, and I'll put it on all my hunting apps because I think it's a lost art. But I can't tell you how much I appreciate these. I love these. These will be used big time. What else have we got here? Oh, that was another one that came off. Look at this. What a kind thing. Oh, I see. You put the sharpener in the knife sheath. That is handy. Very, very cool. Very kind. I don't even know what to say. Thank you so much. Appreciate that so much. I wish if you had a business or something. I was anticipating maybe it was a knife maker, and I could give it a plug in here for you. Cutco. That is so. What a coincidence! I got to tell you something. The only other time I had a knife given to me, which really stuck, and I still have the knife, was from a surgeon from Oregon. His name is Ken Tuttle, avid hunter, just a true gentleman, and I never forget it. He said he would give me a knife if I got him a big moose. And I got a big moose, and he gave me this little knife, and he said you'll never have to sharpen this thing throughout the whole doing that whole moose. And I'll never forget it. I had 3 knives in my backpack, all razor sharp, and each one of them will be dull as a frickin' banana by the time I got through with one moose. Obviously, when you look back in time, it was shitty steel. And I couldn't believe it. He gave me that little knife, that little pocket knife, just like this, different handle though, from Cutco. And I wasn't familiar with that name at the time. That's Sarah's cat too, Max. So anyway, he gave me that knife, and I burned through a moose and 2 elk with it. Everything before I even touched that steel with a stone again. It was incredible, incredible knife. And I lost it one time, and I actually got my horse to run back. I let the horse go back step for step up the mountain through the willow, because they do that. And it took me exactly the spot I was at, and I found the knife again. And I have it in a safe place right now, so I won't lose it. And I've had that knife for many years, and now I've got another one. And that is very, very cool. And I will use this hopefully on my target buck Zeus, if I manage to harvest him in November coming up. And wow, what a kind thing to do. Thank you very, very, very much. I really, really appreciate that. And I will be making sure that guys get a hold of these and start sharpening up their shit. Throwing away perfectly good stainless blades. You gotta be kidding me. It's so stupid. But anyway, there you go. I thought I would share that with all you as I'm en route, because it's easy, and I should have shared this with all you. So there we go. I'm gonna check this one more time. Oh, he said no name, right? I guess I can't share any name. There's no name on here either, but he's from Durango, Colorado, other hunters. And there's nothing better than hunters supporting hunters, and especially everything we do here. And I promise you that creation, that secure platform is going to be completed. And especially thank you for your support with that. That ensures that there's just no way this thing isn't getting built. It's getting built as I sit here, but there you go. Thank you very much again. And there's more videos preloaded for while I'm away. And I think there's one coming up tomorrow morning. So again, if you guys want to email your stuff in, if you need to talk about it or send something in to share, tell my story, howtohunt.com, or share my story, howtohunt.com. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Be safe.